Hey friends, if you wish to fix mouse wheel is zooming instead of scrolling, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now see, this is what's happening. I'm scrolling my mouse, instead of scrolling it's zooming. So the reason is that I have pressed the control key, okay? And when you press the control key along with scrolling, it will zoom the mouse. So if you have an external Bluetooth keyboard, check if the control key is stuck or something is placed on the control key, okay? And be sure about the keyboard first of all. Once you have sorted out the issue with the control key, whether it's stuck or not, then you can toggle off sticky keys and filter keys. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select keyboard and make sure that all of these three switches are off. Then the last solution will be to update the mouse and keyboard drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of keyboards and right click mice, and then right click and update the drivers, and do the same thing for keyboards. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.